Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool maze bar right here in my hand. And pretty much what these are is some rechargeable flashlights. So let me actually open up and show you what the product looks like first. So here you guys can see this is basically what comes inside the package. First thing that you guys see is a little user manual instruction guide to tell you guys what is on the product and how to use it. Next up, you guys can see that there's some cables and there's the actual product itself. So they provide you two of these micro USB to USB cables to charge the product, and then they provide you two of these flashlights. I believe you can buy either one pack or two pack, but it's better to buy the two pack. So you guys have an extra one just in case. So you guys can see there's two of them, but I'll show you guys one of them because both of them look the same. So when we take it out, this is basically what it looks like. You guys can see there's some LED lights right here. There's a button right here to activate the product. Here is the flashlight part. You guys actually make it wider like this, or if you guys want to zoom in, you guys can. And by zoom in, I mean like you make the light even smaller than it originally is. You guys can see right there, there's the slot to plug in the micro USB to charge the product. You guys can see that there's a little slot right here where you can actually hook it onto your pants or something, which is pretty cool. You guys can open this part right here to look at the battery that they provide you. If you guys want to change it to a different battery, you guys can as well, but this is the battery that you guys would use. It's the LED 18650. You can see right there, 3.7 volts. And the one thing to know is that on the actual flashlight on the bottom part, there is a really strong magnet. So if you guys put both flashlights together like this, you guys can actually create your own lightsaber like this, and you guys can turn on the light on both sides like this, and you guys can just go about however you guys want to use like a lightsaber, or if you guys want to use two direction of lighting, you guys can, or just go like that. So you guys can use two lighting like that, or you guys can just put it together and bam, lightsaber. Let me go do a quick test of the product to show you guys how to charge it and how you guys know when it's fully charged or not. Alright, so basically when this product is charging, you guys can see this is what it looks like. It's a flashing red light. When it's fully charged, light should either turn green or turn off. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product of charging it, now we have to do the test of the actual product itself to show you guys how bright the light can get. So I'm going to turn off the light really quick. So basically this is how bright the light can get. If you guys can see, it's a huge circle and it's actually really bright, and that is just using like this part of the actual flashlight right here. So if you use this flashlight right here, it's even more brighter. So if the light is too bright right now, you guys can press the button one more time to lower the brightness. So if you guys click it one time, you guys can see that the light is a little bit less bright, but it's still really bright. And if you guys want to, you guys can actually pull this part right here to make it smaller, just like that. So you guys can adjust how big you guys want it. So that's pretty cool. And if you guys press it for the third time, you guys can actually turn on the light right here. So I don't want to blind you guys, so I'm going to turn on this side to show you guys how bright it can get. Alright, so as you can see, the light, when you guys use this light right here, is super bright. Like you guys can actually light a whole entire room if you guys wanted to. And if you guys click it one more time, which is the fourth time, you guys can actually turn on the SOS mode. You guys see it's blinking. And you guys click it one more time, it actually turns out the product. So that's basically the test of the product itself. Now let's talk about some of the features of the product itself. It has basically everything that you guys need. A strong flashlight, two different options of the flashlight. If you guys want it brighter or not as bright, if you guys want to zoom in or zoom out, you guys have the option on here. Small little hook right here, strong magnet, replaceable battery, rechargeable battery, and probably one of the coolest thing is the water resistant that's on the product itself. And yes, I said water resistant, not waterproof, so you guys don't want to submerge this into water or something. So I could totally see how amazing this product would be for people who go for like hiking, if they're in a repair shop, you guys need to turn on a bright light, or maybe you guys want to go for like a night walk, you guys can use it for that as well. But definitely one of the biggest things that I can see people using this for is for emergency lights. So let's say if there's an earthquake or something, or for some kind of emergency, if you guys don't have no light, then this product would definitely be worth it to use in those cases. Oh, I almost forgot. There's actually one mode that I forgot to mention to you guys. Like if you guys want to just turn off the light completely and don't want to go to the next mode, you guys can hold it down for like 2 seconds. So let me show you guys what I mean. So if I turn on the light, you can see the light is on, but if I hold down the button right here for like 2 or 3 seconds, it'll turn off. Just like that. So in that way you guys don't have to go through each mode to turn it off. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So to be honest with you guys, I have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. Especially for the price range that you guys are paying for one of these is not that ridiculous. It's only $10 for each one of these, and what you're getting out of this product is pretty awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have